Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hi everybody. So here we have A, B, and C to ask us. And I'm asking different displacements here. And because of this, we have this equation, which is equals x naught E minus C 2m T times sine omega d T plus phi. And the derivative here, or x naught, is going to be x naught omega d e minus c divided by 2m t cosine omega d plus phi. And there's a t here that I forgot. Plus x naught minus c 2m e minus c 2m t, look at the sign under here, so omega d t plus phi. And now we're going to set this equals 0, and we're going to put this on one side and this on one side. So you can rewrite it. And we have the cosine omega d t plus phi equals x naught minus c 2m e minus c 2m t, and then we have sine omega d is t plus phi. I really do not like it when you have t's and pluses next to each other. Worst symbols here. So we're going to bring this over here and this over here, and we know that this and this cancels out. So we're left with 2m omega d c equals tan w, or omega d t plus phi. Okay. And now we can actually write this as T initial, because the T initial is going to be the phase differences. So we're looking at the time when the axis height occurs in initial time. So for that, we have tan minus 2m omega d c minus phi divided by omega d. So basically what we're doing is trying to find that, okay? So now when it's at 0, or the time when the maximum height, we have t tangent minus 1 2m omega d divided by c plus pi minus phi and omega d. And this part will probably trip you up if you do at home, and that's because of the trig. That's because you're looking at a sine of tan, so you have this type of oscillation. So you just might mess up for that, and that's okay. Just take your time, okay? So now we're going to minus these together. So t equals tangent 1 it's a really bad C, I apologize, plus pi minus pi divided by omega d minus same thing you can, oops, my omega d like turned out weird. Okay, we're almost done with A. So you can obviously tell what you can cancel out here. So we have t initial minus t naught minus t initial. And you can obviously tell that this becomes positive. So we got this. So we end up with the initial. And we can actually plug in here 2 pi in the tau that they gave us for this problem. And when we do that, we end up with here. Okay, and that's your answer for A. And now for B, we have pretty much 2 zero displacements. So we have your t initial plus pi is going to equal pi, and your t initial d here equals minus 5 wd. Okay, and from this we have your dot. We also have d t naught minus naught plus phi equals 2 pi, and we get oops, we go back to fix that. There we go. And this is going to equal 2 pi minus phi divided by wd. Okay. Now that we have this and this, we can have them minus each other. Same thing that we did above. And then let's actually, there we go. If I can correct myself, guys, and I apologize. So we have 2 pi minus phi, your omega d. And let me like write that a little bit nicer. Omega d minus pi minus phi omega d. Okay. And here you end up with similar to above in part A. And because of this, we're also going to put in what they gave us, which was the pi of 2 pi tau. So because of this, we have 2 initial 0 equals tau divided by 2. Okay? And that's the answer for B. And now we can do C. And C was the max positive distribution occurs during, so your max occurs during your omega d t initial plus phi. And your zero displacement occurs, so this is your max displacement. Displacement. Okay. And here we have your zero displacement, and that's a D. Zero. Okay. And so because of this, what we're going to do is have displacement pi plus phi minus your zero placement. And here we have pi. Okay. Now for this, we're going to take away the omega out. And we have not to worry about the phi's, because the phi's are going to cancel from each other. So here we have, there we go. And now from this, we end up with taking the W over. So here we have minus initial. And for us, they gave us that we had above. So here we have, and I'm just going to do this to make it look nicer. And this is if we multiply. So there we go. Now over 4. Because we're plugging in here to apply this into here. Okay? And this is your answer for C, guys. Okay? Thank you.